Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Chaniyot Islamia School and College and I am Hiba Zulfikar. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? तुम अपने रब की कौन कौन सी नेमत को झुठलाओगे? अस्सलाम वालेकुम and very good morning to all of you, my shining star. My shining star, today we will learn past indefinite tense. But we can also say past simple tense. But the scholars of today's topic are, by the end of this lesson you will be able to define past indefinite tense, you will be able to tell structure of past tense, you will tell the structure, techniques of past tense, its use and conclusion. Definition. But action that started and ended in past at a specific point in time can be used for repeated action in the point. It expresses the following types of past action. An action occurred just a little while ago. I ate an apple. He caught a bird in the bushes. I met a friend in market. An action occurred on regular basis in past. He worked in a factory. The people paid less taxes in past. The ancient believed in superstition. Structure of sentence. Main verb will be second form of verb. Positive sentences second form of verb. Negative and interrogative sentences first form of verb. Helping verb will be did. Affirmative or positive sentences. But the structure of positive sentences is subject plus main verb plus object. Main verb will be second form of verb. For example, I ate my meal. I brought a laptop. He applied for a job. Negative sentences. But a first form of verb we will use subject plus helping verb plus not plus main verb plus object. For example, I did not eat my meal. I did not buy a laptop. He did not apply for a job. Interrogative sentence mean question sentences. We will use first form of verb. Helping verb will be did, subject, main verb, first form of verb plus object plus question mark. Example, did I eat my meal? Did I buy a laptop? Did he apply for a job? Question mark. Use it. But we use past simple tense to talk about something that happened once in the past. We went to Spain for our holidays. Something that happened again and again in the past. When I was a girl, I walked a mile to school every day. But in conclusion, we will discuss that actions that occurred in the past, main verb, second form of verb, helping verb, did. This is the recap of your lecture. But a definition, actions that occur in the past, we will use main verb, second form of verb, helping verb will be did. Types, affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences. The end. Allah Hafiz. If you have any query, better you may ask from me. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye and take care. Have a nice day. But if you have any query, you may ask from me. Stay home, stay safe.